Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to fix the VLC player lagging or scattering or skipping when playing 4K or 1K HD videos. So before going to the videos, please turn on the CC for subtitle. For that you need to enter into your VLC media player. At the top most you may see the option called tools. Please enter into the tools and preferences. Over there you need to pick all at the bottom and then double tap input and codecs. At the right side you may see preferred resolution. Please pick full resolution like 4K or 1K, whatever you available, or should be in best available. If it's low, please make it as 1K or 4K or to be best available. Once it's done, please scroll down and you may see the advanced option over there, file caching. Please pick the file caching and make it as double. If you had numbered as 500, make it as 1000. If you numbered as 1000, make it as 2000. Once it's done, please double tap the input and codecs and you may see the video codecs. On the video codecs, please click FFmpeg and over there you need to select the thread as 2 and select X264, and over there you need to enter number of reference frame to be set it to be as 3. If it's 5 or 7 or any other, please make it as 3. And after that please scroll down and you may see the video option, and on the video option you need to pick output module and make it as automatic. If in case if it's enabled any other, please make it as automatic. And once you're done, please save it, and once again you need to enter into the preferences, and this time you need to enter into input and codecs. Change here, like if it's already set to be in disabled, make it as automatic. If it's already in automatic, make it as divisible for hardware decoding. Once it's done, please save it and restart your VLC media player. I hope you enjoy the video, and thank you guys. Thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube.